morning all. Tracey and I need meat for the freezer. We've got 4 growing boys and they need meat, so we decided to go for a bit of a shoot. We're going to the Akatarawas today. We've left the air rifles at home. We've decided to take our big one out, so we're going to look at deer, pig, goat. Bit of a late start this morning. We've taken 4-wheel drive, so we've just filled that up and slowly getting out of bed and have a coffee and kind of make a bit of a game plan. Probably maybe half an hour out of our location. So yeah, come along for the journey and let's have some shits and giggles and laughs, and hopefully we'll get some meat for the freezer. So I've got my Howa1500, so in 7mm8, got a hush power suppressor as well. Put the camo tape on. It's probably not going to do much, but it's more just for to stop it hitting branches and making that ding sort of noise, but also saving it getting scratched up and stuff. wind's a bit of a left to right at the moment, so it's pushing our scent down, which is in our favour, which is great. It's probably to be honest, like 20k wind. That's quite strong here at the moment. Right, let's settle down and do some blasting. Right, so there was nothing seen, nothing gained, but I guess on bonus about that, didn't use up any bullets, don't really have to clean the rifle, just give it a wipe down. Beautiful morning though, beautiful morning out. We caught up with one of the owners that owns property just over the back of all the bush, and he's seeing a lot of goats at the moment that are coming over into his property, so we're making a plan for next time anyway. But anyway, hopefully you enjoyed the footage, and we'll see you next time.